All right, let's change the valve springs. We got it out. Got the car most of the way buffed, I think. Got Hans over here helping. Say hi, Hans.
Hi, Hans.
There you go. That's pretty typical. So we're gonna pop these heads off and see what's crack-a-lacking up in here. So you just let's continue to keep breaking the springs. So we're gonna get rid of these springs. Make sure I didn't set the spring height, all that stuff up wrong. Hey, is the compressor on over there? I'm gonna need some air. That's better, quieter. I think that compressor's a little loud. Never noticed it before. We'll just turn that off so that doesn't come back on. Anyway, I don't have my magnet, so it's the next best way. I gotta take these gloves off. Just trying to keep my hands clean. No, can't feel anything with the gloves though. Oh, there goes push rod tube. We're gonna put new ones on. Clean all this stuff up. Let's see what's going on. Little rich. Probably come down on the idle jet. That's something's breaking the springs. No, don't appear to be leaking. Maybe a little bit. Not too bad though. I'm gonna throw these out so we're not putting those in the nut and bolt container. Seals in here. These are still good, but I'm not going to use them over. So anyway, pistons look like it's been a little fat, but pretty good. Oh, here's the culprit here. No contact. This head's sealed up too really good. Looks like everything looks good except for the spring issue. So we'll take those apart, clean them up, measure the spring height and all that good stuff, and straighten it out. Probably have to get a set of springs or find a good set of stock ones that I have laying around. Like I said, this cam's not that big. There's no reason for the thing to be breaking springs. So I did put some chromoly retainers on it. Those weigh a little more than the factory ones. That could be part of it. So we'll take those off. And and I won't use rusty springs anymore. So here's where we're at on Lily here. Nobody stopped by today to visit her. I think she's sort of sad. But I rubbed on her all day. So she's looking pretty good. It's looking really good, I guess. You know, I don't have anything this nice personally. Cats like it. You guys hungry? Yeah? Want to eat? So yeah, we'll be back buffing on this tomorrow. Figure, you know, probably a week of buffing easy. I'm gonna buff that fender well down there today, and the one on the other side, I think. Yeah, this one here. Got that quarter buffed. So I don't know why I buffed this, because I think we're gonna sand those down and put a dinosaur liner on it. So there we go. So she's starting to look pretty good. I gotta sand this part of the roof back here. That's all that's left to sand on the body, except for the dash and the interior pieces. So fun. And it's not going too bad. It's buffing pretty nice. That clear buff's pretty good, the AG40. And it's shiny to start with, and you don't have to buff it to make it shiny. You're just buffing it to get the light trash out. And I just hit it with some 2500. I use 1500 on a couple spots, but for the most part 2000, 2500. So all right, gonna get on the mumble tonight, get in there and see what's going on. We might put a set of piston cylinders on this. I don't know. I might just go ahead and split the case. And you can see the cylinders look pretty damn good though still. And these are forged because this motor had the spray on it at one time. Got a little nitrous shot, but long since been gone for a long time off of it. That was another life actually. So we'll probably take these off because the rings are looking pretty worn out there, pretty shiny. So I don't know if those are aftermarket or whatever. We'll set these off to the side and save those for another project. And I've got a set of brand new piston cylinders. Go ahead and split the case, check the cam, check the lifters, throw some bearings in there, because I don't think I opened the case up last time. I just did the top end. So while we got it out of the car, we'll go ahead and go through it and get it back in there for Wednesday night. So I gotta have it running for Wednesday or my daughter will be heartbroken, because this is her ice cream ride. That's what she goes to, the car show. And she doesn't like going up there unless she's got a Beetel to ride in, so it won't take long. This is just a 1600, and it'll be part back together, clean it up. You know, I don't think I'm gonna find anything inside. It ran excellent, except for the spring issue. So really impressed with the power. You know, for a 1600, it's freaking awesome. And I think with the new set of piston cylinders and some new rings, it's gonna even be better. So I'll take a look at everything when I get it apart. So that's where we're at. We'll get those apart, clean them up, and get it all laid out. Have to get it all cleaned tomorrow, assemble it tomorrow night, install it Tuesday, and break it in Wednesday. That's how it'll work. I think something like that. So still need to get a tail light housing. I thought maybe I'd get one today. I know they come out here and eat every Sunday, but didn't bring one by. So if we have to, we'll take the rusty one and pack it full of some short strand fiberglass just so we can paint one and you know, make the car a car again, because I don't want that hold me up. Not at this point. So that's where we're at. There's the fender. I can get the sand in that. Let that dry real good, and then we'll get the sand on that. So 2500. These little pieces came out really good. I don't know if I showed you these grills. Sometimes these can be hard to get the paint down in there, and it really it went down in there real nice. So those look really good. Those were for the dash. All right, let me feed the little kitties and go upload this. Used to say download all the time, but we'll upload it. And maybe come back out here for a little while, and then we'll go into the mumble there and check that out. So, all right guys, we'll talk to you in a little bit.